Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize the sidebar gadgets in Thinkorswim. To begin, open the Thinkorswim platform on your computer. Once it loads to the main workspace, look over to the far left edge of the screen. That vertical panel is the sidebar, and it's where gadgets live, tools like watch lists, account info, or quick charts that you can keep visible as you work. We'll add one now. At the very bottom of that left sidebar, find the small plus icon. This plus button is your entry point for adding a new gadget to the panel. Click the plus to reveal the gadget list, which shows the available tools you can dock into the sidebar. From the list, click on Sample Gadget. We're using this as a simple example so you can see the process end to end. The gadget appears instantly in the sidebar as its own tile, complete with a small title bar along the top. If your layout is compact, give the panel a moment to update, and you'll see the gadget settle into place. Each gadget you add includes a control menu represented by 3 small horizontal lines in the gadget's title bar. This menu is essential for managing any gadget you've added. To remove the gadget, click those 3 lines to open the menu, then click Delete. The gadget is removed from the sidebar, and you can always add it again later from the plus button if you need it back. This keeps your workspace clean while letting you experiment without worry. That same menu can transform a gadget without deleting it. Click the 3 lines again, then click Switch. Switch lets you replace the current gadget with a different one in the very same spot, which is handy when you're testing layouts or refining your workflow. Instead of removing and re-adding, you simply swap what appears in that tile, keeping your sidebar organized and consistent. Finally, there's a powerful option for multitasking. Click the 3 lines once more, then click Detach. Detach opens the gadget in its own floating window outside the sidebar. This is useful if you're working on multiple monitors or if you want to keep a specific tool in view while you change tabs elsewhere in Thinkorswim. Move and resize the detached window to suit your workspace and arrange it alongside your charts or order entry tools for maximum visibility. And that's it. You opened Thinkorswim, used the plus button to add a sample gadget, managed it with the 3-line menu to delete it, switched it to try something different, and detached it to work in a separate window. With these controls, you can tailor the sidebar to fit the way you trade and keep only the tools you need within easy reach.